Hey guys, Shane, Garage of Constant Sorrow. It's been a while, huh? I had a vacation, went up to see my niece get married, and other than that, I've been doing some work around the house. Nothing exciting, trying to get a bedroom turned back into a bedroom from a junkyard. So today, finally got back on something automotive, my Charger. It squealed really bad whenever I first apply the brakes, usually at highway speeds. Generally didn't do it at low speeds, but and a real high-pitched squeal only when mid pressure. So real light pedal, nothing. Real hard pedal, nothing. In between, squeal. So all I did was, because I'd replaced these brakes not long ago, so I knew they were good. It's not the actual squealer on the brake pad. Flip. Right, so I just lubed everything up again. It looked pretty dry, so I don't know, maybe I forgot to lube it. That's not like me, but anything's possible. So the points of contact where the pad hits the bracket, or the, what do you gotta call that little piece, the bracket insert or whatever it is, and then where the pad touches the caliper. Generally I don't lube the pad backing, because in my experience, it doesn't really need it. So see, I lubed this and this now, so I don't know which one's gonna fix the problem. I should have done just one, but I didn't want to have to come back and do it again. All right, anyway, so another thing I want to start doing is just show you a new tool I bought, or something I have, or something I'm using at the time. So I actually bought a new tool for doing the plastic clips that hold basically everything together nowadays, because they're such a pain in the ass. And let me show you what I used to do. Let's find... Yeah, that's fine. And it reminded me, when I was in here lubing these things, I saw these things, and it reminded me to show you this tool, because it's kind of neat, and I'm hoping that it's really going to work. I tested it once just on like 2 clips. So, normally you take a screwdriver and you stick it in one side of this thing, and you can pry like a twisting pry motion, or prying out like this, but generally it wants to pull the whole thing, not just the middle piece that's supposed to pop out first, and then the whole thing comes out. So I got one of these, and you may have seen it. Here, I need my other hand, sorry. My fingers get in the way, and I apologize. This one. So it clamps down on both sides, not just one side, and then it pushes. See that? Isn't that friggin' cool? Alright, so we go in here, we clamp it. Just a little squeeze. Oh, and this one's not gonna work. Oh, it broke the head off. Well, there's the there's the problem inherent in these things in general. I guess you could give it a little bit of rocking motion, but yeah, see, all these are so brittle. But you get the idea. Well, here, let's try this one. Well, yeah, these suck. Hang on, let's try this one. Ah, there we go. That one worked. You saw that? Boop. Look at that. That's cool. And it would do that on these were they not in such bad shape. So now I gotta go back and replace those. Thanks a lot, Shane. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. I got some work on the Omega coming up. The front end, excuse me, not the front end, the steering. And let's see, I still need to put some gauges, some good gauges. I got a temperature gauge in there right now, but that's it. All right, so thanks for watching. I guess we'll talk at you later.